Children, I am Mosmi Padiyar. Today I am going to teach you social science. First, I am going to give you introduction of the chapter of history. This chapter is studied to understand the past better and to learn lesson from it. Social science are subject covering history, geography and political science. Social science help us to learn our history, traditions, cultures and development literally and communication skill. History benefits by following ways. First, we can learn past event to uh, improve our future. We have written records only last 4000 years old. Although our scientists believe that our earth is millions of years old. History is a story of the achievements of men. History is studied to understand the past better and to learn lessons from it. Archaeological source materials are inscriptions, monuments, manuscripts, coins, etc. So let us start our first chapter of history. Student, this is the textbook of social science. We gather the information through various things that show in the textbook picture. We know our history through such type of things. Every day in the morning, you receive a newspaper which give you information about daily events and incidents. Today, newspaper is future history. When same type of incidents or events happen in the society, we remember past with date and time. So newspaper is also evidence of history. When collecting articles, photographs, pictures, we gather historical information. So many people have habit to collect old things like coins, stamps, paintings, etc. because they eager to know more and more information about our history. We also know our history through ancient buildings, forts, stepwells and other old sites like Red Fort, Taj Mahal, Rameswaram Temple of Lord Shiva. These are the examples of our ancient monuments. In December 2000, many newspapers have published various articles and events of 20th century, which became famous as a Millennium Gallery. As we all know, human beings have very curious mind. They always want to know something. Curiosity, know about our ancestor, where were they living, what were they eating and wearing. We got information through such sources like manuscript, inscriptions, which our archaeologists found during excavation. Let me give you the information about manuscript. Here are some pictures given in your textbook. The manuscript is a written record by our ancestor. Manuscripts were written mostly in the Pandu script. Tatpatras and Bhojpatras had given us written information about our past. Type of barks were used to write manuscript. Pandu manuscripts have been destroyed by insects, but some are still preserved in temples, vihars, libraries and government museums. Using these types of sources, we get information about king, administrations, public life in ancient times. After the manuscript, our archaeologists found inscriptions in stones and metal plates. In the earlier time, when king achieved something or want to give any order to public, at that time stones and metal plates were used for inscriptions. Inscriptions were written record carved on stones and metals. It exists even today and are preserved in archives such the National Archive of Delhi. We get further information from vessels, ornaments and tools which we found during the excavation. Excavation is the digging of land where we find a trace of our ancestor. Now we will recall this chapter. We got information from stamps, idols, utensils, vessels. Old coins, paintings, photographs are sources of history. Manuscripts are written record by our ancestor, written on the barks of tree. Inscriptions were written on stones or metal plates. During excavation, we found ornaments, vessels, tools, that gives us information about past. So children, hope you understand this chapter well. Based on this chapter, I will share you some exercise to do from your home. Thank you. Stay safe.